True, my Kazarangis, it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. Today we are reacting to Te Ngākau o Te Awa, and I've had a lot of people come through and ask me, Hux, can you react to Te Ngākau o Te Awa? Hux, can you? Yes, we're doing it today. I've heard a lot of good things, and I've heard a lot of bad things from the performers themselves. Oh, we're a little bit flat, but all goods become first, blah blah blah. Anyway, I'm expecting great things. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Oh. Still goes through with it, that's all that matters, brother. Made a little bit of a mistake. Oh god. Damn. You can tell that they have practiced this over and over and over. Doesn't clean as. Keep it brief. Clean as, sharp as. You didn't look like you made a mistake. I don't know. Maybe if I watch it back, there might be a mistake that's there, but I don't know. Beautiful, beautiful. I love the fact that they didn't have the massive as me. So thank you. This fella knows. This fella knows the go, cousin. What's the bro's name? Oh, facials on, cousin. Oh. this more te a te a. It's tough. Okay. That chick better have a solo. Good. Is this one for you ladies? Aye, this one for you ladies. This top boy time. I love this wire tire. got some balls. Good. Yeah. Let's go. Bro, this point was tough, eh? This point was tough. I liked how simple it was. The waiata sounded mean. What are you... Run it back, G. Who is this guy here? Bro, what? Waiata tira time. If you just go flat, I'm gonna say so. I'm just saying. I'm gonna point out. You just go flat. Sounds like it's gonna be a mean waiata. There's a and then there's a listen, run it back, please. Oh. Sorry, I've stayed quiet this whole time, but Wahine, you just sounding Kokwe! Sorry. I'm so sorry. Don't come at me, okay? Don't come at me. Just being honest. Hux, can you sing? No. But it doesn't take an idiot to know. Okay? Don't come at me, by the way. Just joking. Okay? Just joking. The waiata though is beautiful. Who wrote this? Please tell me. I wanted to hear more, bro. Why'd you cut it off? I want to hear more. That would have compensated. Haka time. Tanima. Apparently this is the best haka in the world. Supposedly. I'll be the judge of that. These two this fella and the bro in the back. The bro in the back knows how to use his face. This fella's just a mean kaya haka. Why is the big fella in the back at? Sort it out. I love the both facials there. They're not even done yet. The real question is, was it the worst haka in the world? No, it wasn't, by the way. No, it wasn't. Due to copyright purposes, we are going to skip it until the non-copyright happens. gonna keep it brief. We're gonna give my breakdown. Okay, my favorite item when it comes to performance-wise, my favorite item was the whakieke. Everyone was clean, crisp, and it was just, wow. You can tell that they practiced. Sounding-wise, it was definitely the whakawatia. Whakawatia sounded beautiful. You following me so far? Whakawatia sounded absolutely beautiful. As an item, it's gonna have to be the mōtetia. Oh my gosh, it just sounds so. You need to listen. That part there. Item wise, honestly, I love them more. Te Atea. Can somebody please send me the kupu things? If I was to rate it out of 10, this one's gonna get an 8.5. If there wasn't a single flat note in here, it would be 100%. It would be like a 9.2 easily. I have yet to see a 10 out of 10. Ooh, I like your tonga. I just seen it. Ooh, and yours too. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I appreciate it a lot. Just want to say a huge thank you to everyone that's coming in, subscribing, everyone that's coming in, liking all my videos, showing heaps of love and support, man. Yous are the reason why I do this. Without further ado, until next time. Choral.